Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we are on our new arrival, a 2025 Boston Whaler 21 Montauk. The boat that we just brought in has a Mercury 200 horsepower black painted engine, and you'll see it's got very nice seating at the back that actually doubles as either a boarding area or if you're doing any type of fishing, the seat folds down and you can stand right on top of it, locks in place, easily folds back up. So it's really nice if you're out by yourself and you just want to hop on and off, easy to do so, or if you're bringing friends aboard and you want a nice comfortable seat in the back, these flip right up without much movement of parts. We've got 4 rod holders in the back, 2 cup holders, and you'll notice in a couple of spots we've got courtesy lights throughout the boat. If you're coming in late at night or leaving early in the morning, it's nice to be able to see what you're doing on your feet. The standard height rails that comes with the Boston Whaler here in the aft. And you'll see at the bow, we've got the split bow rail, which is a really cool feature. The leaning post is reversible. So you pull that up, put it into the position that you want. And underneath here, we've got storage. And also port and starboard, we've got 2 rod holders and also our fishing tackle storage, easily accessible. As we move forward to the helm, we've got our Simrad multifunction display, some analog gauges, our switches, and this is a nice new feature. It's a black colored vinyl, which reduces glare while you're underway from the sun. Cup holders up here, standard compass, and the center console actually has some nice storage underneath. Bimini top on this boat, great for getting out of the sun, or if you want to get out of some rain, you're stuck in the rain, pop open the bimini top. Up here, plenty of space. We've got our cooler and rod holders as part of the fishing package. So the cooler has a cushion on it. We've got 6 rod holders there with a backrest, so that's a really comfortable spot to sit. On the bow, we've got cup holders and rod holders, and we've got 2 really neat storage areas. One works as a fish box, or if you want to fill it with ice and put beverages in there. Some people use it for their fenders, extra lines. That's one dedicated storage area. And then you've also got your dedicated anchor locker. So that's separate from any of the other gear that you want to put in the fish box. And then here at the bow is our split bow rail. Really nice feature that it's split here, whether you're boarding from the dock or boarding from the beach, loading gear up onto the boat, you don't have to pass it over the rail. And also a big benefit is when you're throwing the anchor, you don't need to hand it underneath the rail, you just go right over the bow. This is the Boston Whaler 21 Montauk that we have here in Westbrook, Connecticut. Come on by and check it out.